Okay, this is an interesting watercolor to discuss. We certainly have the negative space here, which is this whiter background, and all the positive space are these shapes that we can see. Now there's interesting lines. We have plenty of diagonal lines going across, some vertical lines and horizontal lines, and all these diagonal lines help create a sense of perspective and movement. You see how they're vanishing. We have like a vanishing point here and somewhat of a vanishing point going off this way to help create some perspective and also depth. Now this foreground is very dull, and so it tends to be less interesting and not come forward as much as these shapes that are a little more defined. There's more contrast and more saturation in the colors, so the colors are a little more brighted, not as muted. You see whatever color here is mixed with gray, and so it's much more muted. Now the focal point of emphasis is certainly on this building, and that is due to the contrast and the unusual kind of angles that are here, where the rest of this that is all more muted tends to take more of a second seat to these more designs that have more contrast and color to them.